we write this is equal to this general solution is what? Y is equal to. This is general solution of equation 2. But we have to write the complementary function of equation 1. That is this equation. And in order to write the complementary function of equation 1, we write LHS YC. Don't write Y is equal to. If you write Y is equal to, then it's become a general solution of equation 2. But we have to find the general solution of equation 1. So how we can write the complementary function? YC is equal to y. Don't write Y is equal to. And what is this RHS? This part? These are the real and non-repeated roots. And we know that how we can write the this part that corresponds to -6 corresponds to this term, 2 corresponds to this term. These are the non-repeated real roots. Then the second part of the solution of example. In the second part, we will find the complementary function is, what is the formula? Yp is equal to, the notation for complementary, not complementary function, the second part is what? Particular integral. The second part is what? The particular integral is, that is the particular integral of what? Of 1 is, of the given differential equation is what? Yp is equal to 1 by fd qx. This is the formula to find the particular integral. So what is fd? Is d square plus 4d minus 12, and qx is what? E raised to 2x. What is qx? Qx is e raised to 2x. So, and fd is this, d square plus 4d minus 12. So to find the particular integral, formula is 1 by fd qx. So write fd qx. Then is equal to, this factorization is what? 1 plus 6 d plus 6 d minus 2. The factorization of this polynomial, d plus 6 d minus 2. Then obtain the partial fractions of this factor. Obtain the partial fractions. So how we can obtain the partial fractions of this 1 by d plus 6 d minus 2? This is a rough part. Is equal to what? A by d plus 6 plus b by d minus 2. We'll find the partial fractions is equal to d plus 6 d minus 2 is LCM, a into d minus 2 plus b into d plus 6. So we have the equation 1. This 1 is equal to a into d minus 2 plus b into d plus 6. Then put d is equal to minus 6, the root of this factor. D plus 6 implies d is minus 6. So we have LHS is 1, RHS is what? Minus 6 minus 2 becomes minus 8, and minus 6 plus 6 is 0. Therefore a is what? We have a equal to minus 1 by 8, and then put d is equal to plus 2, the root of this factor, d plus 2. D plus 2 implies d is equal to, d plus 2 is equal to 0 implies d is equal to 2. So LHS is 1, RHS is d plus 2 minus 2 0, b, coefficient of b is what? 2 plus 6 is 8, and therefore b is what? Value of b is 1 by 8, and therefore the factors of the partial fractions are what? A minus 1 by 8 divided by d plus 6 plus 1 by 8 d minus 2. Substitute a and b. That is what? Minus 1 by 8, 1 by d plus 6 plus 1 by 8, 1 by d minus 2. These are the what? are the partial fractions of this. So the next step, this is the rough part. Either write in the solution of example or don't write in the solution of example this part. Then the next step of this step is equal to minus 1 by 8 1 divided by d plus 6 plus 1 by 8 1 divided by d minus 2 e raised to 2x. What is this bracket? Value of this bracket, value of this factor, 1 by d plus 6 d minus 2, this express in partial fractions as minus 1 by 8 1 by d plus 6 plus 1 by 8 1 divided by d minus 2 e raised to 2x. By using partial fractions we have this. The next step is equal to minus 1 by 8 1 by d plus 6 e raised to 2x plus 1 by 8 1 by d minus 2 e raised to 2x is equal to 1 by 8. Then apply rule. What is the rule? As 1 by d minus a qx. What is the rule? 1 by d minus a qx. This rule. 1 by d minus a qx is what? E raised to ax. E raised to ax integration e raised to minus ax qx dx. This rule. 1 by d minus a qx is e raised to ax integration e raised to minus ax qx dx. So by using this rule, what do we have? 1 by d plus 6 e raised to 2x. So a is minus 6. D plus 6 written in the form d minus minus 6. Or if you compare d minus a with d plus 6, then a is minus 6. So value of a is minus 6. So what we have? E raised to minus 6. E raised to minus 6x integration e raised to plus 6x. Because a is minus 6. So minus minus become plus qx. What is qx? This is e raised to 2x is qx dx. So this step is what? This step is by using this rule. Again plus this plus sign 1 by 8 and again apply the same rule for this 1 by d minus 2 e raised to 2x. So d minus a, compare d minus a and d minus 2. A is what? Is 2. So first factor is what? E raised to 2x. This factor e raised to x e raised to 2x integration e raised to minus 2x e raised to 2x. What is this? Qx. Qx is e raised to 2x dx. So this is the reason for this step, right? In right side. So next step is equal to minus 1 by 8 e raised to minus 6x integration e raised to 6x and e raised to 2x, base same addition of power. So we have e raised to 8x, e raised to 6x and e raised to 2x become e raised to 8x dx plus 1 by 8. This 1 by 8 e raised to 2x integration e raised to minus 2x and e raised to 2x becomes e raised to 0, that is 1 dx. Next step, minus 1 by 8 e raised to minus 6x and integration of e raised to 8x is what? E raised to 8x by 8 by using the rule what? What is the rule? Integration e raised to ax plus b dx is what? E raised to ax plus b divided by a plus constant of integration. So this is the rule of integration. plus 1 by 8 e raised to 2x. Integration of 1 is x. Integration of constant is what? Integration of any constant, that is suppose 100. So what is the integration of 100? 100x plus constant. So here this is the particular integral. So constant of integration is 0. Consider, don't write plus c, because particular integral does not contains arbitrary constants, any arbitrary constants. So what do we have? Final answer 1 by 64 minus 1 by 64, 8 into 8, e raised to minus 6x, and e raised to 8x is what? E raised to 2x, plus 1 by 8 x e raised to 2x. What is this? This is yp. This is what? Particular integral. This is particular integral. Then the general solution of equation number 1 is, that is the given non-homogeneous differential equation. What is it? It is y is equal to yc plus yp. We know that the addition of general solution is what? Addition of complementary function plus particular integral. That is y is equal to, what is the complementary function? This c1 e raised to minus 6x plus c2 e raised to 2x. c1 e raised to minus 6x plus c2 e raised to 2x. This is what? Complementary function yc, plus what is yp? Yp is this minus 1 by 64 e raised to 2x plus 1 by 8 x e raised to 2x. What is this? This is the general solution of equation number 1, that is the non-homogeneous differential equation. That is, in order to find the general solution of non-homogeneous differential equation, find complementary function and particular integral. Next problem, alternate method, another method to find particular integral. So instead of factorization, we can find the particular integral. That is this step. From this step we'll apply two methods, another methods from this step. So what is yp? Yp is 1 by d plus 6 d minus 2 e raised to 2x. This is yp, 1 by d plus 6 d minus 2 e raised to 2x. So without partial fractions we can obtain the particular integral. So this is another method. So we write this as 1 by d plus 6 d minus 2 e raised to 2x, right here bracket, then is equal to 1 by d plus 6. So apply this rule again, 1 by d minus a qx is this. This is the rule, 1 by d minus a qx is equal to what? E raised to ax integration e raised to minus ax dx. Not here, right? Qx dx. What is the rule? 1 by d minus a qx is e raised to ax integration e raised to minus ax qx dx. So apply the rule for this bracket. 1 by d minus 2 e raised to 2x is what? D is a is what? 2. So e raised to 2x by using this rule, integration e raised to minus 2x qx is this e raised to 2x dx. So this step is by using this rule. Either write this 1 by d plus 6 d minus 2. We can write d minus 2 first and then d plus 6. And then here we have 1 by d minus 2, 1 by d plus 6 e raised to 2x. Again apply the same rule for this in both From both methods we have the same answer. So next step, from this is equal to 1 by d plus 6, this 1 by d plus 6 e raised to 2x integration e raised to minus 2x and e raised to 2x become e raised to 0, that is 1 dx. So we have e raised to 2x and integration of 1 is x. So we have this. Then is equal to, next step, then this become qx and apply the same rule. What is the rule? As 1 by d minus a qx. What is the rule? E raised to x integration e raised to minus x qx dx. Apply the same rule. This become qx now. And what is a? A is minus 6. If we compare d minus a with d plus 6, then we have a is minus 6. So write a as minus 6 e raised to minus 6x because a is minus 6 integration e raised to plus 6x because a is minus 6, so minus x becomes plus 6x. Qx, this is qx, x e raised to 2x. This is qx, either write x first or e raised to 2x first, dx. So by using this rule is equal to, the next step, e raised to minus 6x integration x e raised to 6x and e raised to 2x becomes e raised to 8x dx. Okay, then is equal to e raised to minus 6x and integration of x into e raised to 8x is by using the part rule. This is algebraic function x, so it's first, exponential function second. What is the rule? L-A-I-T-E, L-I-A-T-E, light. That is logarithmic function, inverse function, algebraic function, trigonometric functions, and exponential function. This x is what? X is the algebraic function and e raised to 8x is the exponential function. So first one is x, e raised to 8x is. And what is the part rule of integration? Is, this is the part, integration of first into second is what? First integration of second minus integration of second derivative of first. So this is the part rule. Integration of first into second is first integration of second minus integration in bracket integration of second derivative of first, di, derivative of first. So in bracket here we have the integration first x integration of second e raised to 8x integration is e raised to 8x by 8 minus integration, this integration sign, in bracket integration of second e raised to 8x by 8 integration of e raised to 8x derivative of first, that is derivative of x is 1, bracket complete, dx, this bracket complete, this, then is equal to, right here round bracket, then is equal to, next step right here, e raised to minus 6x in bracket 1 by